This is my old lathe, and at the moment it's got a solid little point here for the wood to rest against. So it spins at this end, spins, this is a rest, and the other end comes in here and it rubs on that. That doesn't spin. So you put a drop of oil on there and it just rubs and seems to work. What I want to do is replace that with a live centre that has a bearing in here and it spins with the wood so that it doesn't get hot and it doesn't make the wood black and start to smoke. So let's see how I did it. This is the end of my lathe, and the wood would spin on there. That's not a bearing, it's just a solid piece. You would oil this and it would spin on there. Sometimes it would get hot. So what I want to do is replace that. I'm going to replace it. I'm going to replace it with this live centre. That's got a bearing and it spins with the wood. So there's no friction on here. And that has to go in there. So to do that, I've got a bolt that matches this, and I'm going to drill down the centre and then fit that in, and that is going to go in there. So we've drilled that, and that sits in there. And I was going to weld this around here, but if I need to take it out for any repairs or anything, it'll make it very difficult. So I think I will tap down in there and just put a screw to hold that. cut that off, screw it in there. Now here we are, we've got the bolt, put a nut on it for strength, tap that, goes in there, you tighten it off. That goes in there. So that replaces that. And then that spins with the wood. That's it. And this slides on the lathe track.